Hi everyone, welcome to another video on the Wigan to Bolton Railway Electrification Scheme. So just in Wigan at the moment, looking down the tunnel towards Walgate Station. This is going to be the last video that covers the full length of the scheme because most of the work is complete. So in this video, we're going to be looking at what work is still taking place at the moment. We'll also cover the full length of the line from Wigan towards Tumor Lostock. We'll also take a quick look back at how things have changed from when the scheme was in full floor, looking at the same sites that they are now. Now the scheme is coming towards the end. So hope you enjoy the video, everybody. If you want to catch up on the full playlist, I'll put it in the top corner now. So we're leaving Wigan now. Next stop's going to be Ince Station. So on the platform at Ince Station, this is where the compound was for the works when they were doing the scheme. As you can see now, it's been returned back to the playing field. I think it is something to do with that building there. This is what it looked like when the scheme was in full floor. You can see all the post cabins and all the works vehicles, etc. on it. But you can see now Network Rail or Murphy's have returned it back to how it was. So just looking at the extended platform now at Ince. So you can see it's still closed off to the public at the moment. All new tactile paving and etc. So it's looking really good, that. If anybody knows what units are going to be running on this line, put it in the comments for me, please. Got the new footbridge there. You can see now all the work complete. Bridge is complete. Now, if you look back now, we'll take a shot back from when it was all under construction. You can see the difference now, including that temporary bridge that they put up while the work was taking place. Looking towards Walmsley Park in Hindley, we'll nip over to Deep Pit now. Got Deep Pit. As you can see here, as do a zoom in, you can see where on the inside of the bridge they put them partition up, which is obviously to protect people from the overhead wires. Now, looking at this here, they still need to put the ramps up to the bridge because obviously the bridge has been lifted. That's on the Aspel side. They'll move over to the Hindley side. See, still quite a bit of work going on there. So the ramps still need to go up here at Deep Pit. So I'm guessing that's going to be easily a few more weeks, stroke months before all that's in place. I'll quickly look at what it's like at Hindley Station anyway. So here at Hindley, everything's in place. You still need to open the extended platforms like they were at Ince. Nice little touches, the double arrow on the Hindley sign. Really like that. So it's not really branded as Northern Rail or B Network or anything, as it is going to be. We'll have a look over at Crow's Nest. So you can see at Crow's Nest here, all the work is done. The compound on the right is completely empty now and it's been returned back to the farmer's field. This is what it was like, I think about 8 months ago when it was completely full. You can see where the gantries still to be put into place back then. And the field is now just been all completely reinstated, which I'm guessing that's just going to grass all over eventually and nobody will ever know anybody's been there. Another shot of when the compound was fully open. So nip over to Westhoughton now and have a look there. So Westhoughton, exact same picture here as there is at Ince and Hindley. Extended platforms in place, ready to open, but currently still closed off to the public. Again, I know it's a bit old-fashioned, but I like them double arrow signs, not branded Northern Rail or B Network as it is going to be. So Tumor, this is one of where the massive compound was. So you can see it's being reinstated at the moment. This is what it was like when it was in full floor and currently being returned back to the farmer. So that's the end of the scheme so far, apart from Deep Pit. So we'll keep an eye on Deep Pit. So if you want to like, subscribe and share, really appreciate it. And I'll see you in the update on Deep Pit. Thanks everyone.